We're getting back in it. Back in it. We're going to start off with some bullet. Some clean, mean bullet. We got a Peruvian here. Peruvian pineapple.
I swear to God, you always find these like untitled, super high rated bullet accounts. I'm very jelly.
Well, wait, we have to see how they play. We have to see how they play, but yes. Well, they pair me in the Latin American pool. That's...
Actually, I think your buddy Lee Yan Kai begs to differ.
I want to push one more, baby girl. Yes. Yes. Put the knight on c3.
Seems to be quite natty.
Take. Well, that's even great. We'll use our kicks for some gains. For some gains. There we go. That's a 1-0. Let's continue. Let's continue. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Saturday night. We've had a few days off. A few days off. I understand. I understand.
It's really squirming.
But don't worry, tonight's gonna be a fun night. Oh. Faramir, hello. You gotta change the name? I like being you. I wanna be you.
I don't think.
How do I get my hair? I wanna be Amon. I'm gonna keep the name actually. I'm gonna name my kids. Yeah.
You're gonna name your kids?
I can't name them Amon until you start adopting Tampa chess. I'll change the name.
The chat and I already had a discussion. I think a few people were saying Amon's not a good name. Yeah, baby.
Davey Pesto. Give me some pesto. Thank you for the Twitch Prime sub.
That's a healthy name.
Great name.
Just Davey Pesto.
Let's get some quick moves in, some quick strokes.
There must be a factory where you come up with names like that. Got fucking Ricky Mustard and
Ricky Mustard?
yeah, real fucking Ricky Mustard.
Ricky Mustard. Ricky Mustard.
Yeah.
You're a funny guy, Ricky Mustard.
Yeah.
Give me that speed, guys. I got some speed I want to show off. I want to show off some speed. Yes. See. Yeah. All right. You want to lock it up? Okay. Okay. All right.
Just dad bod shuffling with a salad in my hand. This is a peculiar background dancer.
Let's double on this. Yeah. Oh! Greedy Guillermo. Whoa! Mamma mia! I like this guy. I want some more.
I think he likes you as well.
The Saint. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! What a move!
I'm not even gonna give him it. What a move from Peru! The Saint, thank you for the $5 once again. We knew something was up. We knew he had something in his arsenal that would trick like a guy like Yasser.
Yeah.
Imagine how Yasser deals with these guys. Give me that. Give me that. Yes. I tell you, man, this guy is letting me nibble. Letting me nibble for sure. Take there.
Oh my god. Oh my.
G4? Oh, you didn't, you know. Okay. Let's eyeball the C4 pawn. Let's ogle the C4 pawn. C4 pawn, yeah. 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 I want that. I'm not going to take it yet. That was very bad. He had some knight f5. I didn't. I'm okay. I'm all good. See? He had knight f5 in some variation there. It's a little sketchy. Oh man. Let's go knight e5.
Oh, look at you.
Wow.
Wow. What a friend.
A friend. A lover. Neil Bruce, thank you for the 100 bits. Appreciate it. Recognize the name. I think on Twitter. Knight d3 is coming if he moves his rook. Oh. Okay.
Friendly. A good guy to have around. Not speedy. Oh, what a.
I missed knight c4. Let's continue this. Let's go for a quick adoption. Quick adoption. Quick 1-2. Got my espresso here.
You're really playing with fire with that.
This. Is it his move or my move?
He's recalibrating.
This is the boiler room. Saturday night for the boys. Just getting some gains in, getting some bullet rating points.
Gourmet salad out of a plastic container.
They chart, yeah. It's definitely gourmet salad. Yeah, boy, Agent is challenging me. No way, buddy. Your rating's 2161. I need you to juice up. I need you to.
2161.
Yeah, it says 2161.
Holy smokes.
Yeah. Some stagnation.
I thought the kid was at 2500.
No. B4. Oh, let me take. Yep. F3. Yes. Ooh la la. Me likey. Me likey. Yes. Do it. Do it. Hey. Oh, sure. Let's push that D pawn next. Davis the D pawn.
Davis. That's Anthony Davis.
My opponent seems frustrated here.
Yeah.
Nat John, thank you for the resub.
Nat John W.
Wow. Let's continue. I thought I was going to be here for a while, but if 2800 is my goal, I'll be done in just a few. How are you guys doing though? Seriously, Saturday night. There's UFC tonight. There's UFC in Rio. The hyped up female fighter Mackenzie Dern came out 7 pounds overweight. I'm on. Have you come out 7 pounds overweight recently?
Actually, I came out. Well, actually, I was fighting in one division and I weighed in at another. It was a bit different.
You've put on 25
I
pounds.
slotted for a whole different card, actually.
Yeah, you went from. You actually went 2 divisions up.
Showing up in Rio and my fights in fucking Romania or something.
You started out as a bantamweight and now you're like a welterweight almost. I mean, don't know what happened there really. Sure. Yeah.
The thing is, there wasn't a lot of competition.
Let me take that.
Shout out to 360 Curve.
Let me eat this pawn. No. A friendly. Yes. Me gusta. Let's go bishop c5.
He's a facilitator.
I'd say you're a facilitator as well.
You're a facilitator, Todd.
Let's go here. Bring the king to the center. Yeah. Whoa. All right. Let's bring the. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Porfa. Check. Check. Hey, Modaleaf. Modaleaf, nice to see you. RJ Singh, thanks for the 500 bits.
Nice to see you as well, RJ.
Cheers to RJ Singh. Let's play. Let's have some fun here.
Are we good on drinks?
Queen D5. Let's see what happens here, Amon. What do you say? I want to give him some material. Yeah.
No. 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 Eric's, no. He's done the espresso. You know what that means.
I'm playing in a classical manner here. Just give me a second here. Give me a second. Give me a second here. This is I'm playing some classical chess. Ooh.
Gotta be a restrictive Raven.
Oh.
Queen tank.
Hey.
Wait! Well, that's not bad, my guy. What the? Ooh. He's a real friendly. Thanks, Armin. Your energy.
High fives all around. Thanks to Armin for his presents from Iceland.
What should I get you?
I need one more espresso and then I'll be drinking after. I need one more espresso. I'm
One more espresso?
I'm a little bit of a slow starter, you could say. Tommy fucking Shelby with a $69 donation. Armand is looking nice, he says.
Armand's looking nice.
Looking thick.
We're some
Oh, yeah, he's showing some
Saturday.
he's showing some understanding here, Armand. I'd watch out.
Armin is looking nice.
I would watch out, guys. I'm being attacked. Let's play F6, King G7, Rook H. Whoa!
Oh, smokes!
Shit.
That's some deep stuff.
No, I can't allow this.
Man, sometimes they can really uncork.
It's just unnecessary.
Wait a minute.
I'm allowing it. I'm allowing it. King's going to F6. Oh, he's got Queen H5. Oh.
Friendly.
King up, don't mate me. Please don't mate me.
Correct.
Please don't mate me, amigo.
No flavors.
Yes.
There
Yeah.
must be a green, a blue, or a black capsule.
Ooh.
says no for this.
Let me take.
No for this.
Check.
See.
King takes. I don't need this. Take. Check. 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 And a mate. Alrighty, the Saint. For Armand, the local doorman, always tip your servicemen. Thank you, the Saint. Agree. Armand is being tipped. He's definitely being tipped. He's a nice boy. Nice lad. Good lad.
Makes a good impression on the guys.
Makes a great impression. I want to play knight g5. Let's first do an oil check. Knight g6. Is he going to see knight g6?
Oh, friendly. You're really sneaking in there.
I'm trying to find holes. Mr. Stanley Yelnats over here,
Oh yeah.
providing a lot of holes.
That's a good one, Steve.
Let me eat that pawn for Yasser. Let me offer some pleasant exchanges.
Thanks, Armin.
Yeah.
Tommy Shelby wanted to let you know that you're looking thicker than prisoner.
Queen check is coming. Queen check is coming, and then King F6, Queen E7's mate. Aquila, thank you for the bits. Check. Check.
Check.
Ah, he didn't want to give it up. That's unfortunate.
What do you do with people that don't want to give it up?
I bait him. I bait him. Ah, it's okay.
Baited and outsmarted. Yeah, I'll take that, eh?
Bring the king up. Yeah. And up and away. No, I'm not going to take that. I don't need to take that. I don't need any of your material. No. No. Okay, dos más. Dos X. Guys, I'm not talking too much because I'm busy. I'm trying to farm here.
You're trying to farm?
Trying to farm.
What's your CS at 10?
My CS at 10 is like 80.
Wow.
And yesterday a guy pulled out a much higher number.
80 CS? Wow. That's impressive.
Sure. Okay.
I'd say that you might make it into the CB Law League.
Mike Matheny? You talking about me or Mike Matheny? Because I've met Mike Matheny a few times. Is that who you're talking about him on?
Have you met all of his syllables? Mike Matheny.
Sounds like you're talking about Mike Matheny. Let's go there. Uh-oh. Sometimes you have to play defense. And it's a hard concept to understand, but a queen can be a powerful piece. Oh shit, that was a mouse slip! Ah, shit. No.
He used to be friends.
No, I mouse slipped. I mouse slipped a full rook. No, this is... No, but this is really depressing. No, but I just mouse slipped a full rook.
Feels bad, man.
Oh
The
my
boys
goodness.
Can't adopt today. We just can't get the peckers up.
Thank you, Bertrout, for the 100 bits. Daryl, thank you. Alright. That'll be rectified shortly. Do I have my second shot? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
What? When you let them slip out like that. Consider being in a boy band with all interns, both former and current? Maybe MM as the lead singer?
I would be in a boy band with them. Yeah. You're my fire, I'm on.
One. It's back to being friendly again.
The rook's hanging. He makes moves that I just don't pay attention to because...
Well, I thought you were leaving it there because you've done that already.
Yeah. Gotta restart.
Oh yeah. Ooh. You went to a very funny moment. Just like Steve Aoki gyrating.
Armon local hero. He's given some bits too. What's going on here? I'm getting... it's a golden shower. Armon local hero.
No, I'm
Oh, what are these bits, my guy?
If you're getting a rainbow shower, green, little green in there, little purple.
Armin's the type to throw bling at me, actually. He's a delinquent. Let's bring the rook to d5.
Yeah, you can't remove that. He's gonna come up with queen g3 or something.
These moves! I just don't see them coming. I just don't. Oh. I got 8 more to go.
Looks like a guy that would stick around.
Stick around. We'll be right back. YTV.
YTV. Throwback.
Throwback. Rugrats.
Why?
Big comfy couch.
Wow. Is the X-Files on YTV?
No, the X-Files is a... No.
I'm trying to think of those shows I used to watch.
X-Files is very scary. Very scary. Gotta play a little faster, guys. That's gonna accommodate. I wanna play rook a6. Eyeball this e6 pawn. Yeah. Bishop here I'll take. Sure? Okay. More peshkis for me. I want more. Check.
You
Check.
tickle?
Rook d1. Yeah. I'm up a lot of pawns here.
This guy's special.
Prof, how you doing? No more gambit. No más. No más. Dime, porfa. D6 next move. Out of the pin. Out of the pin. Yeah, baby. Jubilao 76. Thank you for the resub. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys.
You know that move.
I knew that, yeah. I'm going to counterattack, my guy. I'm going to counterattack.
You're shuffling.
I'm shuffling. Check. Oh. Jeez. Okay, let's take.
Oh, this looks like some fun. Holy, what a, whoa.
See what I can do here.
Things that he comes up with sometimes.
Twitch Railbird, hello. You guys like that? That's cool. That's cool.
That's cute, that's cute.
I'm doing some funny looking moves here. Take. Okay. Just take my bits. I almost called you Betch accidentally. Thank you for the bits. Betch. Thank you, Yos06, for the bits.
For your bits. Betch.
Seriously, my guy. Why am I not playing that move? Come on, Eric. Come on, buddy. He's almost trapping his rook. But it's not trapped. Oh! Oh, shit!
But that one hurts.
That
Don't
one
it?
does hurt. Take. Wait, I'm down 10 seconds for once. That's not good.
That's unusual.
Take my material. Yeah. He's got to check. He's got to check.
What? He's really friendly. $19 to $12. $10 to $6, buddy. It's
Yep.
a free move there. Yeah. Some check. Yeah. An important scramble. An important one.
Just take my. Yas, thank you for the bits. I don't recall your name too often, so thank you so much for the support. We're trying to create an army of chess degenerates. No, it's all good. It's all good. Thanks for hanging out Saturday night with us. He's about to prepare something.
Yeah, he's got something.
I can smell
He's gonna
something.
play like rook e6 or something.
Fancy feet. Aren't you having some fun?
I am having fun, Amon. I am. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa. Hey. A little too quick.
Whoa! You did manage to get every bit of material you had. I'll take that now, bro. I'll take that now.
D-Punk, thank you for the bits. Thank you for the bits. Sign me up as Degenerate Chessbrah. He keeps playing this. It's giving me the H-Frow. That's why I think it's a little funky. I'm trying to get you guys, like, give you guys migraines and stuff with this music. It's always been a long-term plan. Should have taken here. Eric, come on, buddy. Gotta spot those moves. Take here? Yes. Check. Should have taken here. Oh, this is pretty good, actually. This king is... Check. Check.
You're having some fun. You seem to be enjoying yourself. That stings a little bit.
I just need to enjoy this for a second.
Stings. That's not very nice.
Can I challenge Hickey? Is he online? Is Hickey online? Let me know. Sure.
Or Trout, thanks for the bits.
Bird Trout. We'll see you in Alberta sometime soon. Can tell you that. Thank you. Dankjewel. Let's start improving the pieces. Get the 2 pieces for the rook. I didn't see that move. I didn't see that move. I cover the entry square. Rooks are good with open files. Now let's maybe. I'm actually gonna fix it. A knight c3 next. Yeah. Now this is likely over. Oh, that was a clean way to finish him off.
He never resigns either.
I see what he's trying to do. I need to, before I start dancing, I need to get the 2 wins here, Amon. I can't choke.
Is
Like,
it exactly 2 more for an adoption?
I think I choked at 8, and I think I'm back at 8.
And 2 more would also be 2,800. Wouldn't that be a sight? A sight for sore eyes. Hello, Dr. Usadin.
He plays a line that I actually play as black, so it's interesting, for sure. Okay.
Oh, Steve!
Sure. Yeah.
Sure.
Tricky. Tricky. He's got some moves here. What am I doing? I'm on. Okay. Ooh. Terrible move. Just a terrible move. I'll play it. I'll play into it. I have to give up the queen, but I have quite a bit of material here. This is a very trippy song, by the way.
Or trippy red.
Just the heads. Oh my goodness. See, this is the Hanson choke.
Let's go, buddy.
What am I doing here?
5 seconds.
Oh my goodness. I just choked. I just choked.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. I just choked again. It's like I want the show to go on because I had to play like 3 or 4 blunders for that to happen. I think I just want to sit here, Amon. I think I'm being a jerk. The choke is real. Actually, this is very sad.
At 9, Faramir, and at 2,800. It's even worse. When you're competing for who's the best choker in the house, and it's not a girl, then there's a problem.
Here. Oh. Could have been worse. Well, hello, beautiful. Guys, I'm gonna have to just... This is one of the most expensive adoptions in stream history.
You're an expensive guy.
I can't handle this anymore. It's too much for me, man. I can't... Too much. I want to put up Planted Knight on h5 and harass his dark squares.
You're gonna do some planting?
I'm trying. I'll just go for this. This donation brought to you by Quid.
Quid.
Oh, that was you. I thought it was coming from my screen. The Saint said Quid, my guy.
Like
Let's do a queen trade, amigo. Yes. Yes. Do it. So I'm not sure about this. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Uh-oh. He's doing some positional magic on me. I got to fight back. Okay. Uh-huh.
You'll take some petries.
I gotta take some guys on the way out, if that makes sense. Please play c3, my guy.
We're all pining for it.
We're all pining for
Do
it.
it now.
Bishop
Not biting.
b6. I've known biters, and I would think this guy's a biter.
Not biting the pillow for you.
Not yet. Just gotta give it some time. Just gotta give it some time. Uh-huh. I was actually hoping I could sacrifice that, but maybe a wrong choice, Aman. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Centralizing, maybe bishop check. Ooh.
9-9. Get some speed.
Oh my goodness, boys.
Yeah, get the check. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Some shaky chess. This is for Aquila once again.
Hello, Chloe.
Hello, Chloe. Guys, I don't mean to drag this on. I really keep choking. It's not intentional. I've looked at this line a long time ago.
Well, isn't the problem that when you play z4, you play knight g5?
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
He found his own problems. He found his own problems.
Sometimes when the position is about to be so lost, you just can't play certain moves, even if they're forced.
So here, do I play e6? Yeah, we'll have to do e6. We'll have to give him e6. I think that's definitely called for.
I think you might enjoy
And then
thrusting
check.
forward.
And then let's produce a queen, Amon. Produce some.
Producing ladies.
I would like to produce some offspring.
Well, judging by our couch outside, that's not the only thing you're producing with the damas and herring. Damas and herring.
I just want to mate. I just want to mate. There we go. Fabiano's live? Dude, the guy, did he tell me he was going live? Oh, he did finally say that. I told Fabi to join the boys tonight. We got a good ratio of like 10 to 0. Lads to lasses. And I think he fits right in on the spectrum.
I've never seen anyone have a stronger ratio than us. I think we're the breadwinners.
So we might have to... Fabi's challenging me. What's wrong with him? I'm just trying to adopt. He has enough kids. He's got enough wealth. He's trying to rain on my parade here, Amon. I'm not sure it's something I stand for. Yeah. I don't like my decision making there.
Well,
But
yeah.
he's got issues. He's got issues. He's got issues. He's got
I had
issues.
issues.
He's got issues.
Sean was a badass. Came out of the woodwork.
I haven't seen Sean in a long time. I miss the guy. Hey, no blunders from me tonight.
Sick tactic.
He's gonna do it.
The classic G4. He manages to do that almost every
Ziglet, thanks, my guy.
Tier 2.
I was gonna play King F8 if he took on G6. Guys, I gotta keep Fabi waiting. An adoption's an adoption. I have a better chance in this match. Although I'm looking to... Well, I'm waiting for the boys. When Amon finishes his salad, when Armin's ready, we're gonna start opening up the rum. And it's gonna be a proper classic Saturday night stream for the boys. What's up, Sean? Great to see you here. If he goes F5, I got Bishop D3 and then Bishop C4 check. So I'm in time. I'm in time. Is he gonna do it? I was about to do something very nasty. I was trying to take a page out of his book.
G5? Are you gonna play Queen D6?
Yes, that's a good read, Amon. That's a great read.
You're a great read if you were a book, my guy.
What happens here?
Well, that's pretty nasty.
Bishop here.
He always manages to do this move. Super impressive.
Yeah, but I got queen check. Yeah. Just in between moves. Chuck him in. Chuck him. Check. And mate.
He's friendly. So, you actually managed to get 2800 without adopting.
That's right.
I don't know how you did that. How does that work?
I won the maximum amount of games before giving up that loss. The maximum amount. My guy.
I feel like that should hurt your chances rather than improve them.
It should, in a way.
Then you would lose the most rating.
I know what you mean by that. Oh. Didn't know you wanted to trade, my guy.
Timothy Connolly.
Is Timothy here?
Timmy's here.
Where's Jimothy?
Jimothy has been a guest on many of my streams. Jimothy. I think that came from a happy hour.
The rook is pinned. What's it's random positions? Totally rando. He's giving it to me. Learning my checkmates.
Correct. Build a mate.
Builder bar. But Ziggler, thank you for the tier 2, my guy. Seriously. We'll be able to help Fabi. I said if he contacts us, we can help him out in person in St. Louis, setting up his stream.
Oh, if you contact your boys, you'll always get a.
We got a
hand
few.
or two.
We got a few electricians, if you know what I mean. Are we gonna do this again?
You guys
Oh,
are really.
he tricked me. The guy tricked me. He got me.
Len Faki.
Oh, we got Len Faki.
Enjoy, friends. Enjoy.
No, I like
Lane, bro.
I like Len Faki.
Correct. Eminem, bro. Fucking Haley and Laney. Haley and Laney Faki.
I like the Len Faki. Let me go here.
Well, I think you're happy with the E-file. Fucking
Yeah.
open lane there.
Bring my king in.
Asian JL is saying Len Fucky. Crude words from a young mouth.
Yeah. That means a few things.
I might as well break this phone. Nobody talks to me.
I've got some matches against Magnus. It's online. So this is my third 8-0, guys. Will I choke? The storyline is real. 8-0. I like to keep things aesthetic. Queen c7, just a tremendously poor move. Knight b3 is not where he wants to go. Timothy Connolly, famously known as Timothy Colony during the candidates. He helped produce a colony of Timmy. Timmy! The knight here is bad, so I'm trying to play around it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
You got a interesting position.
Oh my goodness. Why am I trying to choke this game? Dude. Eric. This is unbelievable, Mon. How many games?
Is he gonna take a fucking draw?
Don't do it.
Very winnable game. Time's even. You're up a little bit. Yeah. 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 That's fine. Oh, you're probably winning here. Yeah.
All right, Chloe, thank you for gifting that sub to Fabiano. Thank you, thank you.
Hi, Eric and Skinny Armin.
Who called you skinny?
He's called me Skinny Armin.
Armin's not skinny. The guy's like 240.
No, but I'm a skinny version.
Oh, he called. Oh.
So it's like
Oh.
I could be like a fat Hamilton or like I don't know what should I be like thanks or like, what's going on here?
I didn't mean to give up the bishop pair there. That was just ridiculous. This knight on g6 bothers me. I don't want to play d5 quite yet. There we go. That's what I'm looking at.
This is the game.
That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Put the knight on f5? Yeah. He's got the knight on d5. That's a good knight. He's got a good position. Not an amazing. I got some ideas. I want to play g5, my guy. Okay, he stopped that. Okay. All right. All right.
You're up a lot of time here, Brohemian. Don't choke this one out. This isn't fucking Penny Alexiak.
Penny Alexiak. Penny Alexiak.
You're up quite a... What a fucking b5. What a move. Good job, buddy.
All right. Finally. Finally.
You wiggled. You escaped twice.
I feel like I should double adopt this guy. Go for 20. Fabi's taking some hits. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue.
taking some hits.
We got the adoption. We got the adoption, but Fabi's busy playing a good player.
Yeah, baby.
So we're gonna go for 20-0. Which has that happened much, Aman? Have we had many recorded 20-0s? That's a goal.
No, I think Naka's the only one who did that. To Eric Rosen or something? It didn't happen?
Yes.
Yeah. Against an FM. Actually, Eric and I have a history of going 100-0 against somebody. Back in the old days, we really tossed them around like a hot papaya.
Oh my goodness. Ah, fuck. At least I got the adoption. That's depressing. That's depressing.
You did that to be.
Fabi's waiting?
Now you're at 2,800 exactly. Just like the old man.
Okay.
Feels good.
I got 2,800. I got the adoption. Now it's time to hunt Fabi.